is it? What's that? What you got in your hand? No, what's this right here? What is it? I think it's time to give that to the babies. You don't need a bottle anymore. You're a big girl, right? So, do you think that you should give your bottle to the baby? Bailey. Bailey. Bailey Ann. Bailey Turpin. What's your name?
C.
What's your name?
C.
I'll let you see, but tell me what your name is. What's my name?
Mommy.
Mommy Turkey. What's Tommy's name? Bear.
Yeah.
Where?
I'll be ready. Run.
Run, run. Can't get at your knees.